Welcome to episode number 43. My name is Nathan Ziegler, the upper school principal at Hope Academy. Some technical difficulties kept us from getting you Mr. Wald and Mr. Brown's Sports Center episode earlier this week. Look in the video description section below for a link to their video. Before we get started with the regular program today, we have a special announcement from Charlie and Elizabeth Olson.
Special guest with Mr. Z.
Stay home, stay safe, stay 6 feet apart, and most of all, don't touch your face.
I told you, homeboy, you can't touch this.
Wow. Just wow. Here are some of the Rube Goldberg chain reactions and contraptions. We've got some pretty creative students at Hope Academy. A lot of those chain reactions kind of snaked all over the place, so I thought I could do some snake jokes for today. What do cobras study in college? History. Which river are you sure to find snakes in? The Mississippi River. And what do you give a snake that has allergies? Antihistamines. My wife, Mrs. Ziegler, does not like snakes, so I'm guessing she didn't like those jokes either. Did you like those?
Yeah, Nathan. They were hysterical.
Uh-huh. Before we get to today's riddles, let's see what Mr. Quiggle is doing today.
It's quarantine with Quiggle.
Crick.
Yesterday's riddle was, what gets colder as it warms up? An air conditioner. And today's riddle is, what has to be broken before you can use it?
This day in history with Mr. Randall.
On May 20th, 1882, the Gotthard Rail Tunnel was officially opened to the public. This tunnel goes through the Alps in Europe and connects Switzerland to Italy. When it opened, it was 9.3 miles long, making it the longest tunnel in the world at the time. It took 10 years to build, and around 200 workers died while constructing it. Yeesh. Here's a fun fact. Do you like to hold your breath when you go through tunnels? Back then, trains could get up to 78 miles per hour, which means you would have had to hold your breath for just over 7 minutes to make it all the way through.
Today's senior advice is from Jennifer Bermejo.
Hope seniors, they're all really nice. Hope seniors, gonna give you advice. Hope seniors, what they say should suffice. Hope seniors, seniors.
A Bible verse I would like to share with you is Proverbs 3, verse 5. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. The first thing I would like to encourage you with is to take school seriously, because there are other kids that don't have the privilege that you have to get an education. The second thing is appreciate your teachers. They want the best for you, and they really care about you, and they want what is best for you. The last thing is make memories with your classmates. Enjoy every moment that you have with them, because one day you will be graduating and you won't see them again. So make your middle and high school years fun. Thank you, Jennifer. Have a great day, everyone.